shirt gonna press down. But another who come for talk about. You see that video amazed me. Yo, there are a lot of talented people in the world. Very talented. And that video prove it. And watch that video with me.
Okay guys, the washing machine is finally done and I'm going to be using this tiny towel to test it. So now let's drop it inside. Add a little soap. Now if I press this button, it should fill itself with water. And as you can see, it's actually getting filled with water. Okay, I think that's enough. Now this is the actual test. Yo, it's actually washing. Okay, moment of truth. Wait, it actually washed it. Yo. But we're not done. This side is the spinner. It helps to remove extra water so that it can dry faster. Look at the speed. It's actually shaking the whole machine. I'm just gonna leave it for 1 minute. And now it is way easier to dry. And that's it for the video.